Hi everybody, here's some of the cereal that we collected, and all of this cereal is going to be donated to the Allentown Rescue Mission. So the men at the mission will be very appreciative and enjoy breakfast because of your generosity. Very eager to receive the breakfast cereal because they need it for people who don't have as much to eat as you and I do. So we're going to count backwards and 10. This goes very fast, and we'll watch the cereal drop. Jacob is going to be the one who's going to start the domino drop. We're going to count backwards from 10. Here we go. Well, we collected cereal boxes for the needy, but what we're going to do is take all those cereal boxes, and because we collected hundreds, we're going to line them up in a row, standing up like dominoes, and we're going to do it twice, for the A group, then the B group, and then one person is going to be selected. Students were able to put their name in a raffle to be the one that starts the raffle chain. So starts the domino chain and knock them all down.